part is going to be the sparkle. Get rid of the sparklicious off of it. Just give it a little wipe down. Right, so we've got the double-sided sticky paper. You just want to die cut that out. Just gonna put that on like that. Keep it in place. Oh, a nice sound. Out. Right. Now try and keep it in the die. Perfect. And you want to take off the backing of the sticky paper. Oh, actually, pop these middle bits out because you don't want them to get stuck. Into your acetate. Right, get rid of the little bits. Right, get rid of them. And then just take off the backing paper. Perfect. And you want to leave the sticky bit inside, which it's done. Right, I think I'm going to use our made up one. Hopefully there's enough because I didn't make too much up of it. Oh, here it is. Right, just give that a little wipe down with your anti-static little thing. Right, and just place this on. It's a bit hard to see, but you just want enough so you've got sort of half and half there. Stick it down. And fingers crossed. Doesn't always work. Perfect. Right, give that a little press down. What you're going to do, peel off the top layer, like that. And then, oh, I need to get the cat food out of the way. With it. Go on, have it. Right. And then put this over. Just pour the whole pot, there's not much there. Just give it a little work over. It's gone really static. Right, try and get rid of as much as you can. It's all going, most of it's going to be cut away anyway, so it doesn't matter. So there you've got your sparkle. Okay. Put this back in the pot. Can't waste it. Get rid of that. Little wipe down again. Right, so what I did on this one, I can't remember what I used get it exact. So I'm just going to go with trusty old thicker pen this time, same pen because it rubs off, ruler, and basically you want to go down sort of halfway. So if we measure, let's do it in centimetres, so it's roughly 4.5. So if we sort of say there, there and there, so that mark is at, I just mark the ruler, it's a lot easier, one there, one there. It's only a rough guide, and then we're going to do exactly the same here. Now that's a little bit flared out, so I'm going to go now that's going to be different. Okay, I'll do it by eye. Crafting is always about, if it messes up, it messes up, you sort it out after. So I'm going to go with that to there, to there. Slightly a bit different, but we've got two straight ones there. So I'm going to go with that to there and to there. Right. So, just show you this one quickly. I know it's upside down. Hopefully I'm doing it the right way round. Don't really know what I'm doing. So, that is going to slot underneath in here. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to snip up to the S. Doesn't have to be dead straight, so if you have got, if it is slightly wonky, don't worry about it. And then just get rid of that. It's going to be inside, so don't panic too much. Just get it off as close as you can on the outside, because that little bit there is going to be seen, but this bit isn't, so don't worry too much. And then cut the other side. And that's up to the L. And then this one is going to be cut up to the E. As close as you can without doing some damage. And then get rid of that. Perfect. I will get a baby wipe because now what's going to happen, right, let's just wipe that off. I'm not going to wipe acetate because I don't really want. Right, now this is the more tricky bit. So before, I literally cut all around, inside here, all the way round. I left that, but this time I'm just going to cut sort of halfway. So I just cut the tops and just leave a panel in the middle because it's a little bit wobbly inside. So I'm just going to cut round the tops this time and try and keep it sort of a straightish line. so. Just cut the excess off, it's easier to work with. There. If it doesn't look good, then we will cut it all out to match the other one that I did. Roughly there. Can always trim it up after if it's a little bit skew. If you can hear someone snoring in the background, that's my cat. Right, so not too bad, not too bad. And then we do this bit. Sorry, I go silent when I'm cutting. There's a lot more friends will tell you. That's another cat climbing the cat's tree. And you want them to be quiet, they're not. Other times they don't make any noise at all. Cut that off. Go back and give that a trim in a minute. Right, let's just go, turn that over. As you can see both sides of this. I think I will. Did I cut that out? No, I left it. I'm going to cut that out because I've cut too far up this time. So I'm just going to cut that out. Like that. Like that. It's a bit black. Let's get that off. That's it. Right, and there you have it. Okay, a lot more stable than the first one I did. Right, let's get rid of that. And then bring back your card. So we're working on the outside. So you've done your ins. Flip it over. So that's your back, because you wrote the back on it. This is your front. So this is the way you want it to go. So pop it through. So it looks like that. Okay. Let's just turn it round so you can see it. Yeah. Even it up in a minute. And once we've popped it in and stuck it and it's all secure, we chop these little bits off after. Okay. So open it up again. And I used some of this really the strong red stuff. Can't remember what it's called, but it's really strong. So I'm just going to mark from there to there and there to there. That's roughly in the middle, yeah. So you can put that to one side. So put that there. Put that there. Okay. Get bone folder. Just stick it down. And then get rid of the black. And chop down the sides. Like that. Get rid of that. Oh, it's stuck to my fingers. Give it a bit more press. Right, and then get your card back in. So, front facing, yeah? Oops. Front facing. And you're going to stick that in like that. Right, you've got your little ridge of your card here. Don't stick it over the top of that. Just stick it below.